हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हमारे पास स्पेशल गेस्ट है जो हमारे स्टूडेंट्स है डेट्सियो फ्रॉम मोज़म्बिक। तो चलो जानते हैं आज उसका मोज़म्बिक से यहाँ गुजरात इंडिया में कैसे यहाँ पे आना हुआ, कैसे उसकी जर्नी हुई और हमारे यहाँ पे उसने कैसे ट्रेनिंग किया, कैसे उसने कोर्सेज़ किए, कौन से कोर्सेज़ में क्या सीखा और कौन सी चीज़ें ट्रेनिंग में उसने डेवलप की, स्किल में डेवलप की, उसके बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कस करते हैं। हेलो डेट्सियो, welcome to the Alphatech Automation. First of all, tell me about yourself and also what is your journey from Mozambique to Gujarat in your Sal College Engineering, right? You'll be BTech in Sal College.
Yes.
How will you come here from the Mozambique to Gujarat?
Okay. Hello everyone. Namaste India.
Namaste. Yeah.
Actually, my name is Dersho Bilankulu. I'm from Mozambique, African continent, and I have recently completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering.
Your degree will be complete in the last sem will do over.
Yes. I did complete my degree in May 2025.
Yeah, recently you will be complete.
Yes.
Okay. So which college will the Sal College, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
Sal
right.
College.
Yeah, will be know everyone Sal College.
Yes, definitely.
So, matlab, what is your matlab, part of the journey in the Mozambique to Sal College Engineering will be? How to be connect with here Gujarat?
To Alphatech.
No, will be Mozambique to Sal College Engineering, and after the Alphatech, when it will come?
Yes.
Will become for the internship in Alphatech Automation, the mid of the Sal College in semester 4 the 5th.
Yes.
So, will be internship in the 2 week, yeah, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
2 weeks internship.
So which content will be in internship?
Embedded systems.
Embedded system.
Yes, I've done embedded systems.
Okay, will be 2 week in the embedded system, the microcontrollers and C language or the 2 week internship. And so you will be here in the embedded system content will be Alphatech in the join.
Yes.
So you have the automation.
Actually, I remember that in 2024, I've done my 15 days internship at the embedded systems.
Yes.
About embedded systems. But after completing my internship of 15 days, I thought more about joining industrial automation.
Okay, you'll be joining the industrial automation.
Yes, I did join industrial automation.
Okay.
And why? Because something that I really love automation. I love about the technology, programming, and all interface between machines and the programming. So I thought like, yes, why not? Let me join industrial automation.
Yes. Yeah, I know you will be available for in the 22 weeks internship, and then after will be connect in your 6 month courses will be PGDI, postgraduate diploma in industrial automation. Will be. And also I will know about your friend in the IC will be passed for the 6 month content will be here completed.
Definitely. Actually, I called him before, like, because I asked him about how's PGDIA course in Alphatech. He told me that it's amazing.
Yeah, will be also reference from the LC.
Yes, I got the reference from ACE also. And he told me that yes, you can join them. You will not regret.
LB, I know very well actually.
Disappointed. So I said like, why not? Let me join it. And
will be now. Messi will be messaging the WhatsApp for the training for the
definitely got it.
The connect with you, but now time.
He fell in love with this training center and the packages and all the automation packages that they offer here.
With the planning for the Mozambique in the training center, though.
Yes, definitely. You know, automation is leading the world right now.
To know to develop in the whole country, the automation is very useful for the all the industries and also in the developing your skill part.
Definitely.
After you will degree in completing and then industry will be so the you will be skill in the PLCs and also automation and the drive and also all part. So you'll be here in the industrial automation. Which hardware will be trained in your content will be?
Okay, so postgraduate diploma in industrial automation is it's a full package, 6 months course that focuses more on
6 months will do
PLC,
all PLCs and
all PLCs. We're talking about Allen Bradley, Siemens, Delta, Mitsubishi, and also we're talking about SCADA. We all know the importance of SCADA in industries to get real-time data, real-time monitoring. We're talking about HMI, human machine interface. We're talking about the VFDs,
variable frequency.
The importance of VFDs,
the motor control part,
the speed of the motor. We're talking about the panel wiring also. We're talking about the instruments.
The whole
sensors.
part of the
Yes, yes.
industries will be covered in
Yes,
your
yes.
courses. Will be
Yes,
also
yes.
controlling part, will
Yes,
be
yes.
programming part,
Yeah,
will be
programming part.
hardware part, will
Yes,
be
yes.
covered.
Yes, almost.
Also monitoring for the display and SCADA designing part will
Definitely.
be covered.
All,
Also,
yes.
now what is your confidence for in your future for the industries?
Yes, I do believe that with the skills that I gained here
Yeah.
about industrial automation, I can really build a good future. Not only like while working, but also like in
Yeah.
my personal projects. I can implement all the knowledge that I gained here into, who knows, maybe into a startup business about automation in
Yeah,
the country. As I said before, automation is leading the world,
Yes,
so
yes.
we have to take advantage of that.
Yes, sir, very good.
Yes, yes.
So you'll be now with the last 2 days, right? After tomorrow, will be go for the flight in the Mozambique.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what is your experience for year from the 6 month last?
Yes, yes. Okay, talking about the experience. The experience was amazing. The experience was amazing. The environment, first of
Yeah.
all, it's amazing.
Which trainer will be training you in
Yes,
course?
yes. Actually, I had two trainers. I had two train, like I can say, yes, two trainers. Darshan sir
The
and the
sensor also,
Janvi
yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah, Janvi.
Very good people, knowledgeable people. They're
Yes,
always
yes.
ready to help you out, whatever doubt you
We'll
are having.
also love, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, of course. Love sir also from
Also, I am the part of the
Yes,
training.
yes, of course. Meet sir also, who is the manager. So
Yes, yes.
it's something that the experience was amazing. The
Yes,
experience was
yes.
amazing, and I really loved the experience. And
Okay.
I do suggest everyone.
No, so good part of the journey will be 6 months. I will also connect with you, and also I will be connect with your friends will I see in
Yes,
the
yes,
future.
definitely.
And first of all, the best of all for your future journey, and also you'll be
Thank you
start the
very
business in
much.
your country will be automation, and also training center will be.
Yes,
I'll be 100% support in your future
we do
part.
appreciate that. Yes, yes,
And
we do.
first of all, so धन्यवाद.
Dhanyawad.
Will be know about the Hindi, no? No,
Yes, yes,
maximum.
of course, I do speak Hindi.
Yeah.
Not much.
Lots of Hindi will be also.
I can communicate.
Yeah.
I do understand. So when two people speak, I can understand the concept.
Yeah, you'll be understand.
The concept. So
Will also speak on the namaste and
yes, of course.
some word of the you'll be know about.
That's
Yeah.
the basic. That's the
Yes,
basic.
yes,
So
yes. The kem
that's really
in your Gujarati will the kem cho.
Kem chu,
Kem cho, majama. Yes,
So
yes. Like good.
that's something really.
Lord, so thank you. What's up?
Thank you very
Future
much.
journey.
Thank you very much, Alphatech.
Thanks.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
faculty and the
Thank you.
everything.
Okay.